Today we are here at KEENON Robotics. This company specializes in unmanned delivery and smart cleaning and is a leader in the industry. Let me take you through an introduction to the company. Hello, Mr. Chu. This is Mr. Chu, the head of the Shenzhen branch of KEENON Robotics. Now let's have Mr. Chu introduce the products.
Hello, everyone. I am Chu Xinye, in charge of the South China market at KEENON Robotics. Our company was established in 2010, and we've been around for 15 years. We mainly focus on cleaning robots, intelligent delivery robots, and industrial robots. For example, our food delivery robots currently hold about 50% of the domestic market. We also have a hotel version that can autonomously take the elevator to deliver food, which is one of the top-selling products in the market right now. In addition to cleaning and industrial robots, we are also involved in other emerging areas like embodied intelligence. The T10 here is our latest food delivery robot. As you can see, it has strong interaction capabilities, including touch interaction, voice control, and a large advertising screen for promoting products and services. Of course, it has more detailed functions. It also features a store guide function, where customers can select the destination on the screen, and the robot will lead them there. Additionally, it comes with a tray detection function. If a customer picks up the wrong tray, the robot will notify them.
Your meal is on the first floor. Enjoy your meal.
Next to me is the W3, a popular elevator delivery robot. It's capable of autonomously taking elevators to reach the desired floor. It communicates with customers through internal phone lines, smart speakers, and other IoT devices. Its highlight is a large storage capacity with 2 to 4 compartments, allowing it to handle multiple tasks at once. It has a total storage capacity of 90 liters, which meets the demand for multitasking in large-scale scenarios to meet the needs of large scenes and multitasking. Finally, the C40 is our newest cleaning robot. It's a 4-in-1 device that can sweep, mop, scrub, and wash, making it highly versatile